Are you tired of the negative effects of smoking on your health and ready to start living a healthier lifestyle? It's time to quit smoking and take control of your well-being. Quitting smoking is one of the best decisions you can make for your health. It can improve your lung function, reduce your risk of heart disease, and even add years to your life. But making the switch to a healthier lifestyle can be challenging. That's why we're here to help you every step of the way. In our video, you'll find valuable tips and strategies to help you quit smoking for good. We'll provide you with practical advice on coping with withdrawal symptoms, managing cravings, and finding healthier alternatives to smoking. You'll also hear inspiring stories from people who have successfully quit smoking and transformed their lives for the better. With the perfect sound effects and faster video shots, our video will captivate and inspire you to take the first step towards a smoke-free life. You'll see the amazing benefits of quitting smoking and the positive impact it can have on your overall well-being. So if you're ready to make a change and start living a healthier lifestyle, join us in our journey to quit smoking. It's time to prioritize your health and well-being and take the first step towards a happier, smoke-free life. Watch our video and let's embark on this journey together. Chapter 2: Creating a Quitting Plan. Are you ready to kick the habit for good? In this chapter, we will discuss how to create a solid quitting plan that will increase your chances of success. Step 1: Set a quit date. Choose a specific date to stop smoking. Set it within the next 2 to 4 weeks to mentally prepare yourself. This will give you enough time to make necessary adjustments and prepare for potential challenges. Step 2: Identify triggers. It's important to understand what triggers your smoking habit. Is it stress, boredom, or social situations? Once you identify your triggers, you can develop strategies to avoid or cope with them. Step 3: Get support. Quitting smoking can be tough, so it's crucial to have a support system in place. Tell your friends, family, and co-workers about your decision to quit. Their encouragement and understanding will go a long way. Step 4: Consider nicotine replacement therapy. Nicotine replacement therapy can help alleviate withdrawal symptoms and cravings. Options include nicotine patches, gums, lozenges, and prescription medications. Consult with a healthcare professional to find the best option for you. Step 5: Prepare for withdrawal. Be prepared for withdrawal symptoms such as irritability, anxiety, and cravings. Stay hydrated, eat healthy snacks, and engage in physical activity to help manage these symptoms. Creating a quitting plan is an essential step in your journey to becoming smoke-free. By setting a quit date, identifying triggers, getting support, considering nicotine replacement therapy, and preparing for withdrawal, you are setting yourself up for success. Remember, quitting smoking is a process, and it's okay to ask for help. Stay committed and focused on your goal, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to a healthier, smoke-free life. Add sound effects and cutouts of supportive friends and family, as well as visuals of nicotine replacement therapy options and healthy activities.